Imagine waking up to a bank account that grows while you sleep. Imagine a life where your money works harder than you do. Now, imagine being 40 and realizing you missed the best opportunity of your life because you never started. The stock market has created more millionaires than any other investment in history. Yet, most people hesitate, paralyzed by fear. Fear of losing money, fear of making the wrong choice, fear of starting too late. But let's be real. You'll happily drop $20 on Uber Eats, but investing $20 in your future? Suddenly, that's scary? Come on. Here's the truth. The best investors aren't the smartest. They're the ones who just start. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. Stocks are ownership, tiny pieces of a company. When you buy a share, you own a fraction of that business. And when the business grows, so does your money. Ever wondered why the rich get richer? They don't just spend money, they own things. They own stocks, real estate, businesses, and you can too. But before you rush in and buy the next trending stock, there's one thing you must understand, or you'll lose money fast. Picking individual stocks is like surfing without knowing how to swim. You might catch a wave or you might wipe out, but there's a safer way. Index funds. These are baskets of stocks that track the overall market, giving you instant diversification and reducing risk. They're the go-to strategy for wealthy investors. Think about it. Would you rather bet on one horse in a race or own a piece of every winning horse? And here's where most beginners go wrong. They hear about a hot stock and YOLO their savings. Don't be that person. The key is long-term investing. Step 3, time in the market cheats timing the market. Timing the market is a loser's game. Even professional investors get it wrong. The real secret, time in the market. Imagine investing just $10 a day starting now. In 30 years, with compound growth, you'd have hundreds of thousands of dollars. But if you wait 10 years to start, you'll need to invest 3 times as much just to catch up. That's the cost of hesitation. Step 4, the 3 rules of smart investing. If you only remember 3 things, let it be this. 1, invest consistently, no matter what the market is doing. 2, buy and hold. Wealth isn't built by panic selling. 3, start now, because the biggest risk is waiting too long. Unless you're planning to win the lottery, spoiler alert, you won't. This is your best shot at financial freedom. But there's one final mistake that could cost you everything, and most beginners make it without even realizing. Step 5, avoid this deadly investing mistake. New investors often check their portfolio every day, freaking out over every little dip. This is a trap. The stock market moves up and down. That's normal. But over time, it always trends upward. The question is, will you be patient enough to ride the wave, or will fear make you jump off too soon? The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time, right now. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your future self will thank you.